Welcome to our channel, The Virtual Money Mastery. In today's economy, where every penny counts, people are getting creative with their money-saving strategies. This video dives into some of the weirdest things individuals do to stretch their dollars further. From extreme couponing to living in tiny homes, these unusual techniques might surprise you. We'll explore quirky habits like dumpster diving for groceries and using unconventional barter systems. As we navigate these fascinating methods, you'll see how thinking outside the box can lead to significant savings. So, if you're curious about the lengths people will go to save money, stick around. You might find inspiration for your budget-friendly journey. Weird money-saving technique number 1. Extreme couponing. Extreme couponing is a fascinating practice that allows savvy shoppers to save hundreds of dollars on groceries each month. By combining store sales, manufacturer coupons, and loyalty programs, extreme couponers can often get items for free or at a fraction of their retail price. To get started, check websites, apps, and local newspapers for the best coupons, and consider organizing them in a binder for easy access. Take the story of Sarah, a dedicated couponer who transformed her grocery bill from $400 to just $50 a month. With meticulous planning and strategic shopping, she saved money and inspired her friends to join the couponing craze. Weird money-saving technique number 2. Living off the grid. Living off the grid is an intriguing lifestyle choice that allows individuals to save money by reducing their reliance on utilities and modern conveniences. Off-grid dwellers can significantly lower their monthly expenses by harnessing renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines. While the initial investment in equipment and land can be substantial, the long-term savings often outweigh these costs. For instance, a family living in a self-sustaining tiny home can eliminate utility bills, saving thousands yearly. Successful setups, like eco-community ones, showcase how people thrive without traditional resources, proving that a simpler life can also be financially savvy. Weird money-saving technique number 3. Dumpster diving. Dumpster diving is a controversial yet intriguing money-saving strategy many adopt to reduce grocery bills and find valuable goods. Individuals often choose this practice to combat food waste and save money, as stores discard many perfectly edible items. If you're considering trying it, remember to prioritize safety by wearing gloves, bringing a flashlight, and diving in well-lit areas. Additionally, be aware of local trespassing and dumpster diving laws, as regulations can vary. Success stories abound, with individuals discovering everything from gourmet food to furniture and electronics. These finds save money and promote a sustainable lifestyle by giving discarded items a second chance. Weird money-saving technique number 4. DIY everything. The trend of do-it-yourself projects has gained immense popularity, a way to save money while unleashing creativity. From home repairs like fixing leaky faucets to crafting personalized decor, DIY projects can significantly cut costs. Simple tasks such as painting a room or building furniture can save you hundreds compared to hiring professionals. Embracing resourcefulness is critical. You can often repurpose materials you already have at home. Online resources like YouTube tutorials and DIY blogs provide step-by-step guidance, while communities like Reddit and Facebook offer support and inspiration. By diving into the DIY world, you save money and gain valuable skills and a sense of accomplishment. Weird money-saving technique number 5. Using cash-only envelopes. The cash-only envelope budgeting system is a powerful method that helps individuals control spending and save money effectively. People can visually track their expenses by allocating a specific amount of cash to different categories, like groceries, entertainment, and bills, and avoid overspending. To set up this system, start by determining your monthly budget and dividing it into envelopes for each category. Maintain the system by regularly reviewing your spending and adjusting the amounts as needed. Many users, like Jessica, have shared how this technique transformed their financial habits, allowing her to save over $200 a month. The envelope system can lead to significant savings and financial peace of mind with discipline and commitment. Weird money-saving technique number 6. Cloth diapering. Using washable nappies offers an environmentally conscious and budget-friendly option compared to single-use diapers. While it might seem old-fashioned or intimidating, modern cloth diapers are designed for convenience and efficiency. Parents who choose this method can save thousands of dollars over their child's diapering years. The initial investment in a set cloth diapers and accessories may seem high, but it quickly pays off compared to the ongoing cost of disposables. Additionally, cloth diapers often lead to earlier potty training, further increasing savings. Diaper sprayers and efficient washing routines can mitigate the ick factor that deters some parents. Many parents find unexpected benefits, such as fewer diaper rashes and a reduced environmental impact. While it requires more effort than disposables, many find the financial and ecological benefits worth it. Remember, the initial investment may seem high, but the long-term savings are substantial. Weird money-saving technique number 7. No poo method. The no poo method is an unconventional approach to hair care that involves ditching commercial shampoos in favor of natural alternatives or simply water. Proponents argue that regular shampoos strip hair of its natural oils, leading to a cycle of overproduction and the need for frequent washing. By breaking this cycle, they claim to achieve healthier hair while saving money on hair care products. Standard no-poo methods include baking soda, apple cider vinegar, or simply rinsing with water. There's typically a transition period where hair may appear greasy, but advocates say this passes as the scalp adjusts. While not for everyone, those who stick with it report softer, more manageable hair and significant savings on hair care products. It's important to note that results can vary based on hair type and local water quality. Weird money-saving technique number 8. Freezer diving. Freezer diving is thoroughly exploring the depths of your freezer to use up forgotten foods before they succumb to freezer burn. This weird but effective money-saving technique involves regularly diving into your freezer, cataloging its contents, and planning meals around these discoveries. Many people are surprised by the treasures they unearth, from forgotten cuts of meat to half-used bags of vegetables. To make the most of this practice, create a freezer inventory and update it regularly. Use FIFO, first in, first out, to rotate frozen goods. Get creative with your findings that lonely chicken breast become part of a stir-fry, while those frozen berries might make a delicious smoothie. Not only does this practice save money by reducing food waste, but it also encourages meal planning and can lead to some interestingly creative dishes. Weird money-saving technique number 9. Soap harvesting. Soap harvesting is a quirky but effective way to save money on personal hygiene products. The practice involves collecting small pieces of soap that are usually discarded and combining them to form new bars. You'll need a soap-saving container with drainage in your shower or by your sink. As soap bars get small and unwieldy, place them in this container. Once you've collected enough pieces, melt them in a double boiler or microwave, add a few drops of essential oil if desired for fragrance, and pour the mixture into soap molds or small plastic containers. Let it harden, and voila, you have a new soap bar. This method not only saves money but also reduces waste. Some enthusiasts even collect soap slivers from hotels or guest stays to add to their harvest. Weird money-saving technique number 10. Paperless kitchen. A paperless kitchen is an eco-friendly and cost-effective approach to reducing reliance on disposable paper products. Instead of paper towels and napkins, practitioners use reusable alternatives like cloth napkins, washcloths, and microfiber towels. While it might seem weird initially, many who adopt this practice find it becomes second nature quickly. Invest in a good set of cloth napkins and various kitchen towels for different purposes. Designate an easily accessible spot for clean clothes and a hamper for used ones. Some people even repurpose old t-shirts or sheets as cleaning rags. The initial investment in cloth products is quickly offset by the money saved on paper goods. Beyond the financial benefits, a paperless kitchen significantly reduces household waste and is much more environmentally friendly. It may require more laundry, but the overall impact on your wallet and the planet is positive. Weird money-saving technique number 11. Haybox cooking. Haybox cooking, also known as retained heat cooking or wonderbox cooking, is an old-fashioned method that's seeing a resurgence among frugal and eco-conscious individuals. This technique involves bringing food to a boil and placing it in an insulated container to continue cooking without additional energy input. The haybox can be made from various materials: a cardboard box lined with blankets, a cooler filled with newspaper, or even a purpose-built insulated bag. Using retained heat, this method can reduce energy consumption by up to 80% compared to traditional stovetop cooking. It's particularly effective for foods that require long, slow cooking, like stews, beans, and tough cuts of meat. While it requires some planning and longer cooking times, haybox cooking can significantly reduce energy bills while producing tender, flavorful meals. It's a weird yet fantastic way to save money and reduce your carbon footprint in the kitchen. Weird money-saving technique number 12, Meatless Mondays. While Meatless Monday has gained popularity as a health and environmental initiative, some frugal individuals take this concept to the extreme by significantly reducing or eliminating meat consumption for financial reasons. Meat is often one of the most expensive components of a meal, so cutting it out can lead to substantial savings. These thrifty eaters might extend the meatless concept to multiple days a week or even adopt a flexitarian lifestyle, where meat is treated as an occasional luxury rather than a dietary staple. To make this work, they often explore plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, and tofu and learn to prepare vegetarian versions of their favorite dishes. This practice saves money and can lead to health benefits and a reduced environmental impact. Some practitioners report up to 50% savings on their grocery bills after adopting this lifestyle. While it might seem weird to traditionalists, this money-saving technique is gaining traction among budget-conscious consumers. This video explored 12 weird money-saving techniques that can help you stretch your budget further. We discussed extreme couponing, living off the grid, dumpster diving, DIY projects, the cash-only envelope system, cloth diapering, the no-poo method, freezer diving, soap harvesting, paperless kitchen, haybox cooking, and meatless Mondays. Each technique offers unique benefits, from reducing expenses to promoting sustainability and creativity. The key takeaway is that thinking outside the box can lead to significant savings in today's economy. We encourage you to try any of these methods and see what works best. Tell us which one you choose. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to The Virtual Money Mastery, like it, and share it with friends who could use money-saving tips. Together, we can all achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching.